Welcome to a journey inside one of the world's most breathtaking luxury homes. This residence is more than just architecture. It's a masterpiece that combines elegance, innovation, and timeless beauty. From the moment you see its silhouette, you realize this is not just a house. It's a vision of modern luxury brought to life.
Crystal lights above, reflections deep and wide. Modern lines with timeless minds and joy we cannot hide. Each corner holds a vision, each color speaks with grace. Design's a form of living, it's love in every place. Life teaches slow, like curves in stone. That comfort comes when hearts find home. No need for more, just space to breathe. Where beauty whispers, you achieve. In these walls of dreams, we build our peace. With chandeliers and velvet seats.
Once inside, the grandeur continues, from the perfectly landscaped driveway to the mansion's architectural details. Every element has been designed to embody both tradition and modern luxury. This is more than a house tour. It's a journey through refined living.
It's walls of dreams, we build our peace. With chandeliers and velvet seats. It's more than gold, it's where we grow. In every room our hearts will know that luxury's not just what we see, but how we live, how we believe. So walk with pride through open doors. Luxury's life and so much more.
Here, luxury is not about excess. It's about details, the refined finishes, the carefully chosen materials, and the seamless flow between indoor and outdoor living. Invite you to imagine what life could be like within these walls. This home speaks the universal language of dreams, elegance, serenity, and pure inspiration. Whether it's a modern mansion in Los Angeles, a countryside retreat in England, or a coastal villa in Spain, each property invites you to dream beyond the ordinary. This is not just a home tour. It's an experience, a reminder that beauty can be lived, touched, and felt.
Just what we see, but how we live, how we believe. Crystal lights above, reflections deep and wide. Modern lines with timeless minds and joy we cannot hide. Each corner holds a vision, each color speaks with grace. Design's a form of living, it's love in every place. Life teaches slow, like curves in stone.